stack application, web application. So this is a Mern stack web application I built especially for these tutorials. So now we are going to start by creating an account. So sign up, then let's call it random stuff gmail.com, right? Then password, let's just give it something. Okay, then let's copy the email, then sign up. Okay, we've signed up. Then we don't know the email, right? So but we know we don't know the password, but we know the email. So let's try running a query instead of giving it the password, right? So we know that this not equals, okay, so let's give it not equals to null. So we're just giving it the password to check. We're just giving it this query to just check any password that's not equal to null. So the email should be this, and the email shouldn't be null, so that we know that there's no password that's gonna be null, right? So we try logging in, then it fails because like there's some string manipulation that's happening on this front end. So then let's just see what's happening in the background. Let's use the okay, so the inspection tool. So let's go to network and see try to catch the request that it's making when we try logging in. So login, then we see that it's failing, but okay, so this is the path. So API auth login, then the payload is this. So it has changed the entire string that we've given it. So yeah, okay, so this is just a safety measure that's in most of the front end frameworks, but we have a Postman. So let's give it the query the way we want it to be sent in the backend, right? So here the password is like we know we still have the email, so let's just paste in the email, then run. So it gives us the account that we are looking for, where email is this and password is not equal to null. So let's try logging in. Login successful. So yeah, this is just how you can perform a No-SQL injection attack. Okay, let's just see how the code looks. So this is like how most of the login implementations are. So where's the login screen? Let's go to the backend part. Controller of. So this is the login. It's just finding. So we just passed in the query here instead of giving it the password. So there are many things you can do to protect.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. See you in our next video.